Let's begin this my room drawing. So from your e-learning day, item 4 was to begin this drawing of our room project. It says you get a sheet of paper, sketch our room, and then accurately measure each wall length and wall height. And then goes doors and windows, and then goes begin drawing on Friday. So I'm going to get parts D drawn up here in a minute. I'll begin with letter C. Letter C. So I found my room. I have a 15-foot back wall. So I'm going to go 15. Hold on once. You move the camera so you can see better. There it is. Now you can see my length down here. So I'm going to go green axis, 15 feet. Enter. My room's in the red axis, 13 feet. And then I have an 11-foot long closet wall. And that bumps out 24 inches. There's a 4-foot wide doorway leading up to, perfect. And the lines draw red and green, 15 feet for this wall. Got it. Nope, missed. No, I got it. That's my wall. And I thought all my lines for my wall height was 9 feet. So I'm going to go to the blue axis, 9 feet. I can trace it over again, and that's a 15-foot wall. And it should be blue. Yep, 9, good. That wall's done. This was a 13-foot long wall by 9 foot. I can go other direction and go up 9 feet and head across. Basically, make sure your lines are red and green and blue, and make sure that the walls are filling in or shading in. If you do that, then we're off to a good start. The last wall is here. There's my room, but I can't see inside. So for now, I'm going to remove the ceiling, click delete. Now I can see inside my room. I begin mapping out my doors and windows. Next.